Hi, welcome to my channel. And if you're new, I'm Nikki and welcome to Nikki's Storybook. I'm very new to YouTube, so I'm just trying to stay consistent at this point and not focusing too much on the type of content I'm producing. So if it is about documenting, I'm documenting things. It's about sharing feelings, I'm going to do that. It's just going to be random, me unfiltered. All right. I'm going on a book blind date with my friend, and we have bought books for each other from each other's wish list. So we know we are getting some book from our wish list, we just don't know which one. And this is the book I have got for her. This is One in a Million by Lindsay Kelk. So if tomorrow you want to buy this book, I'm here to influence you. Everyone wants that special someone. Annie Higgins has given up on love. She's too busy trying to get her tiny business off the ground. Why does it sound like me? Anyway, infuriated by the advertising agency across the hall making fun of her job, Annie accepts their crazy challenge to make a random stranger Instagram famous in just 30 days. Okay, I think I should read this book. And even when they choose Dr. Samuel Page, historian and hater of social media, as a target, Annie is determined to win the bet, whether Sam likes it or not. But getting to know Sam means getting to know more about herself. And before the 30 days are out, Annie has to make a decision about what's really important. Funny, real, and heart melting romantic. Annie and Sam's story is My Fair Lady for the social media age and the perfect feel good read. And the praises for this book says that this is full of heart and very, very funny. It's a smart, laugh out loud triumph and just brilliant. Witty, funny, warm, and wise. This is a comfort book, I think. So yeah, this is the book out of her wish list and I'm going to gift it to her. Now, for the book Blind Date, I have seen a lot of concepts on Pinterest that they would pack it in a way that there will be pockets in it, and within those pockets you put up other goodies such as bookmarks, stickers, cards, whatever you want to put. So I have also bought extra stuff for her that I'm going to be putting in those pockets. And this will be my first time packing a book for a book blind date. Grab some snacks. Let's get into the packing of the whole thing. All right, so I have my wrapping paper with me, and I just love this wrapping paper because of the autumn leaves and the whole vibe. And as you can see, I have practiced with the book and the wrapping paper how to make those pockets, but then I figured out that it is a little too much. Like, I need to cut some pieces away. So that's what we are going to do. I'm going to give you a good look of my desk, and we're going to work on it while I tell you a story. So, how I met this friend of mine. Well, I also own a small business of bookmarks and stickers as of now, but I'm going to expand it soon. The thing is that in January 2026, I thought of starting my own stationery business. Wait, I need to concentrate here. Right. All right. So in January 2026, I thought of starting my own stationery business. Initially, I just wanted to start with bookmarks and stickers. So that's how I started. And I started making bookmarks and sticker designs. And while I was starting and creating those things, I also thought that let's start posting about it, that something is coming up and creating the whole hype. In that thought, I posted a picture of my bookmarks that I made, and I was super, super happy with the design and everything. I posted it, and then after 24 hours, Instagram just takes your stories off. So I created a highlight of those sticker bookmarks, and she gets into my highlights and she finds out these bookmarks and sends in a message for the query. Now, when she asked for it, I was like, no, I made it. I did not buy it from anywhere. And that is how she became my very first customer, even before the launch. Now, post that, I was super, super nervous. Said, how will it turn out to be? Will she even like it? Will she not like it? Because launching something is way different than actually getting the reviews. I was just so scared about it. But she loved it when she received it, and she was so, so happy. She sent me voice recordings of how happy she is, and I was literally crying standing in my kitchen when she was sending me those notes. Eventually, as the story progressed, we became friends, and now we have decided to meet each other. Give me a second. So now we have decided to meet each other, and I'm going to meet my very first customer of my small business. I'm so happy, and she is such a sweet person. I am super glad that she exists and she keeps hyping me up for everything that I do. It's just lovely to have her. I thank my stars that they brought me her. Okay, so now I have cut the extra sheet. You can see how it looks. Yeah, so how we're gonna do it, like this is the wrapping paper. We cover it till like here, so that some of the area of the book is left. Take this edge and you make it like this. You put it inside. When you put it inside, this is gonna create that pocket. So since I have already practiced on this sheet, the crease already exists. When you are doing it for the first time, it's gonna be a little tough to do it. And this paper is really, really hard. So if you do it with a thin paper, it will be much more easier for you. Okay, so we are doing it now. See, I have practiced and there are still creases, but it's still kind of difficult. Let me do it from this side first. See how easily it went in. Yeah. So it's supposed to go like this. All that practice and creasing again to struggle. What's the whole point? You see, I'll show you with the scale. See, there's a pocket. Now we go do the same thing this side. I'm gonna tone these like this. I am so scared that it will jump back that I'm gonna secure it first so I don't have to worry about it. Yeah. Now this leftover paper, this again goes here. So now this will make a second layer of pockets. So this was like first pocket. Now this will be the second pocket. Second layer of pocket from this side. And now the second layer from the other side as well. I just realized that I had to put a note in the book and I'm already packing it. Shit, I missed it. No worries, no worries. We're gonna take it back now. Anywho, it is what it is. So what my plan is that I want to write a quick note here, like something cute on the empty page, like this piece. I'm not gonna write it. I'm gonna write it in a sticky note and then paste it here. Now for this purpose, I have a transparent sticky note. Here's that. I want to write something that leaves an impact and she like comes back to it. Let's put our thinking glasses on. Let's go. Yeah, so there are these two lines that I'm really loving. So I'm going to write this. May you always find the right story at the right time, just like I found you. So glad the universe put you in my chapter. Oh my god, this is just beautiful. So I've written the note for her. This is the final note that I'm going with. All right, let's get back to packing. There we go. This is my second take for the same content. The problem is that I actually filmed without switching on my mic and I was just talking for a long time with no voice at all. So yeah, here we are. And see what I did in that video. I completely packed this whole thing with everything I wanted to put inside it. Anyway, I am not taking it out now. I'm just gonna show you. See, I've done the work. So there are two pens that I'm giving her. One is blue and one is pink and blue. Pink and blue because it is cute, and blue obviously because the book was blue in color. Then I have this bookmark that I'm giving her, which is blue in color. Book is blue, that is the reason. And yeah, it says falling through stories. You know, and this thing I have calligraphied on it. Is that a word? Calligraphied? Calligraphed. I don't know. Well, this is handwritten, okay? So this is what I do in my business. I make bookmarks with my own hands. And then this is another bookmark that I have designed, and I just love this mystical design on it. So I'm giving this as well. Oh, can you see, by the way, there's this small papelia written. That's the name of my business. Of course, I'm making it from the front camera, so everything is inverted for you, and I hate that. I'll eventually figure out how to tackle that situation. I dropped a sticker. 1 second. So I'm giving her 7 stickers. Again, those stickers are created by me. Giving her a candle. I'm giving her a cupcake, a pastry, a balloon dog, a heart, candy, a literal yellow heart. And there was something more. There's supposed to be 7. I think it just got inside of these packets when I was taking them out. Now only she'll open. Oh yeah, I found it. There's a coffee. I'm just in love with the idea of these pockets. Everything fits in so nicely. And what I'm doing is I'm tucking these stickers on the sides like this so they don't fall. And I think this time the packing is even better than the earlier one. So good thing that my mic didn't work early. Also, I'm thinking to add a rope around it. I bought her a few more things. First, this beautiful kitty keychain. I'm completely in love with this so much that I don't want to give it away, but no, it's for her. A Barbie headband. I have same one and I wanted to twin with her, so I gave her this cute thing because I love it personally. And then this cute diary, which has a pen of its own. Problem here is that all of these three things that I have now with me, they won't fit inside this. So now I have to pack them separately. As I said, I'm gonna tie a rope around it, so we need to find a rope first. Also, yeah, just wanted to say in the middle of all of it that if my eyes are going like here and there and here and there, just understand this is the first video I am recording for YouTube, and when it comes to uploading, it will be the second video. I am still learning to not look at myself and just look at the camera. So yeah, sorry. So here we go. I have the rope and it is long. So I'm gonna cut it down. Ah! I dropped my specs. I think this much should be enough. Okay, just taking it by intuition. This much. Should make a nice flower when I'm tying it. Let's go. I personally get so happy when there are events where you have to prepare for it and not just dress up and go the next day. Like, you should be doing something. It increases the excitement and happiness to do all of it. I am personally somebody who loves to celebrate a lot of things, basically everything. I just love the whole concept of celebration and preparing for the celebration. Here, I have given it a rope. My battery died when I was recording, so I had to charge it and come back to make this video. Remember, our book was packed, but the three things that I bought separately, they were just there because those won't fit in the pockets. So I found a very nice idea to do this. I'll show you. Here we are. So I have created this hamper for her. See, this is the book that we packed. Then here I put the hairband, then that diary and that keychain. So I put everything in this hamper. Now I'm gonna gift it to her like this. Now it looks like more organized and more cohesive. And me being me, it's actually itching me that it is plain. I want to do something here. I'm gonna make flowers here. What I'm thinking, I'm gonna start here from the base and I'm gonna take like flowers and make petals, big flowers. That's it. Nothing too fancy, but just enough that it's not empty. Right? I think I'm just gonna write another note here which just says thank you. I'll just show you from the back camera so that you get a better view. Alright, look at this. This is how it looks. It's gonna open. Here's the cute message for her. Thank you for this day. Thank you for the idea. Thank you for finding me. Thank you for being my friend. And thank you for being you. Here's that cute smiley which says love you. And here's her book with the pens, the stickers, the bookmarks. Here's that band, the diary, and the keychain. These two look so in sync and so pretty together. I'm so happy with my whole idea. I am super happy with how this whole thing has come together, and I'm super excited to give this to her, see her reaction, and I hope she loves it. So yeah, what time is it? It's 11:30 and I should be in my bed. I have to wake up early, get dressed, get ready, and run for it. All right, see you next Friday. Thank you for tuning in with me and staying this far. I hope you like it. Please give me your feedback if you have anything. Just, write anything to me. I'll be happy anyway. All right, see you guys. Bye-bye.